Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be talking about trading, the Forex news announcements. I have a fantastic new free tool that I can offer you. There's some free courses and there are many strategies that you'll learn in the course of this video and using the courses that I am going to recommend. Now, as you know, I mentor traders on a one-on-one basis, and on the Friday of the non-farm payrolls announcement I had a chat with one of my clients and we created a strategy to trade the non-farm payroll announcement. I was very happy to on the Monday receive an email from him saying that the trading went extremely well. He managed to double his account with that particular trade, and it was all went well. So before we look at the tools and the courses and the strategies, I'm just going to give you a little idea that I use that is worth a lot of money. Now, what happens in these announcements, this is a 5-minute chart, the market starts going sideways in anticipation of this announcement. There's an element of uncertainty that builds in. But suddenly, just before the announcement, and literally 20 minutes or so before the announcement, the big boys start taking action because they know more or less what's going to happen. And they push the market. Can you see they push the market in the wrong way? And then you know the direction of the break because the big boys are telling you they're pushing the market in the wrong way so that they can get better and better prices up there. And when the announcement happens, they have made extra profit because of that move. It's a very common strategy. I think it's a very well-known one, and that is part of what happened on the non-farm payrolls this month. But let's get into the free tools and the strategies in a little bit more detail. Okay, so now Forex Factory is by far the best informational site out there, and I've been using it for over a decade. And here are, for instance, the list of future announcements that you can get on their site. You can customize this site to your own time zone. You can do all kind of things, and if you click on any of these items you can get more information about the announcements. They tell you everything that you need to know, so they are a pretty good website for traders of news and economic announcement events. So you can get your basic information here at Forex Factory. Just go to their calendar section and you can get that information. But what I like even more is they show you historical events. So you can actually go and load a chart and it'll tell you the announcements that occurred in the history of that chart. So you can see the impact that certain announcements have, and you can see here's a really big impact announcement, whereas there's a red one but didn't do much. So you can start working out a strategy to determine which announcements you should trade, which ones you didn't, and which strategies you should use for various announcements. So that's another fantastic tool that Forex Factory has. But the big benefit now is you can extract all of that information onto your own charts, and that is the free tool that I'm going to show you right now. So you can load this free tool. It's an indicator, and you load it onto the chart, and it shows you the historical announcement that have taken place, and it shows it on the chart. And if you click on any of those, it will tell you what the announcement was. And if you click on that, it will take you to Forex Factory for a lot more information about that particular announcement. So it's an amazing tool that sits on your own computer and gives you all this amazing advice. And then it then tells you, hey, these are the announcements that are going to happen in the next couple of hours. So in the next hour, that particular announcement is going to happen, and the next 3 hours, the next 7 hours, the next 10 hours. So you are prepared for what is going on in the market. It is the announcement trader's dream, this particular indicator. Please go and download it. There is the link. All you have to do is type the link into your browser. No, I'm only joking. The clickable link will be in the description of the video as well as the commentary of the video. Okay, so let's have a look at some courses, some free courses that you can go and do now. I've had a look at this particular video. It's a single video. It's had 160,000 views. and it shows 3 powerful strategies for trading the news. I can thoroughly recommend this video. Please go and watch it, study it in detail. It's a very high quality video with really sound strategies. I really can't do much better than what was done in this particular video. Then there's another course. It's got 14 modules, and it takes you through the whole process of understanding how technical analysis relates to fundamental analysis and all that kind of thing. And it gives you lots of strategies. I think there are about 5 strategies you can use to trade the economic announcements. You know, there's straddles, there's the one that I showed you previously, and there's the continuation strategies and the reversal strategy. Oh, there's so many strategies. I can thoroughly, again, recommend this course to you if you want more information about how to make lots of money trading news announcements. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've given you some ideas on how to make money in this Forex market. Please go and download this Forex tool. It is the most fantastic tool for somebody who is trading manually and wants to be aware of the upcoming announcements, and also wants to back trade the announcement to see the impact on the price action. Also, go and have a look at those courses and the strategies in those courses. They are really good. I'm not going to repeat them because the guys there have done a good job in their videos, and you could benefit immensely by watching those strategies. Also, just think about the little strategy that I showed you earlier. I've made a lot of money from that simple approach to news. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.